you guys. We are cooking some steaks and potatoes in the RV. That's my part of the potatoes, because if you look over here, that's a dog. These are these are the finished deal, and this is the salad with crackers on them because we didn't have croutons. That's our steaks. That's our potatoes. That's our salad. And this is our view. And this is our view for dinner. And this is our view for dinner. This is what we are looking at for our dinner. Is that something or what? That is the Pacific Ocean on the Oregon coast. And this wonderful food we prepared in Xena, the Warrior Princess, the 1994 Winnebago Warrior Motorhome. This is our little messy kitchen because it's not very big, but this is where we prepared all this food. And now I'm going to let you go because I'm going to dish up and have my dinner. That's my potatoes right there. Those are the potatoes. And one of these steaks are mine. And my salad. Did you cut it open yet?
No.